All right, so this is a smart lock that was sent to me by Nice Digi to sample. We're gonna unbox it real quick and then go over installation and see how easy that is. And then we'll check out the operation of it. All right, so we've got the instructions, a drill template just in case you need it, in case the hole on your door is too small. Got some hardware here for the jamb. Some more hardware for the lock itself. You've got your keys as well as the key fobs, which you just hold up to the lock and it will unlock as well. Some more hardware here for the lock. Nope. Some more hardware. And then we have the actual lock itself with the weatherproofing, and then the keypad for the lock. And then you have the numbers that you can push. It also has a fingerprint scanner as well as a regular lock. And then it has a USB-C type connection down here in case the batteries die and you don't have your keys on you and you need to be able to unlock the door. All right, so let's go ahead and go over installation. All right, so we've got our old door lock here. We're gonna take it off. All right, got that off there. Now, even though we might be able to use this, we're going to go ahead and replace everything to ensure that it matches up accordingly. Alrighty. All right, so the new hardware goes on here. All right, should be good. All right, go ahead and install this. And make sure that your slanted point here is pointed towards the door, otherwise or the jamb, otherwise it will not close. You'll have it on there backwards. Everything should run pretty smoothly because you're just pretty much reinstalling hardware, fresh new hardware. Now, if this was a new door, yeah, a little bit more work. Cool. All right, so if you want to adjust which way the handles point, so if you want it pointed this way, there's a little screw in here. You just use the Allen wrench that came with it, and you'll take that out. It'll allow it to rotate all the way, and then you'll put it back in. All right, so the first thing you want to do is install these, calls them positioning columns. Those on there. All right, and then install the screw casings. They look like they are different on each side. All right, so it's got a little square at this end, so you want that end pointed out. 1, 2, and 3. All right, we got all those on there. Hand tight. Now we have to install this onto our door. All right, now we're going to install the interior plate. I'll plug it in. like so. And then make sure this is all sitting flat. And then there's a hide your wire in here, it looks like. Line that up. All right. And now our 3 screws go in here. Always be sure to lay things behind you so it's awkward to grab them. That helps out. And then, as with anything, nice and easy at first to make sure it all lines up. And then you can go in with your tools and tighten it all down. Boom, look at that. All right. Now we just need some batteries to put in there. All right, I've got batteries in there now. Takes 4 AA batteries. Had to run to the store and grab those real quick. And the keypad is now all set up. I also downloaded the app, which the app is in the instructions. And then I went ahead and set it up. So it's got my fingerprint in there. And you can see that works right there. And then it locks right back up. And if you try another finger, then it won't work. But if I go back to my finger that I got stored, it works. So, and then you can also use the key fobs, which I don't have those programmed in there because I don't plan on using the key fobs. And then you can use your pin. Oh, check mark. And there you go. That works as well. And then of course you can use the key. And then like I showed you at the very starting, it has that USB connection that you can connect in case the battery's dead and you don't have the key. But yeah, that's the smart door lock from Nice Digi.